In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a brochure in Canva. We will start from the Canva dashboard and end with a fully customized brochure ready to share or print. First, open Canva. If you are on a computer, open your browser and go to the Canva website. On a phone or tablet, you can open the Canva app instead. When Canva loads, you should see a clean home screen with a search bar near the top and suggested design types below it. Now go to Canva and sign in or create a free account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password or use your usual login method. If you are new, follow the prompts to set up a free account, which only takes a minute. Once you are signed in, you will see your home page with recent designs and a big search bar at the top. From there, search for a brochure template. Click into the search bar and type the word brochure. As you type, Canva may suggest brochure-related options under the bar. Press Enter or tap the suggestion so Canva shows a full gallery of brochure designs. Next, choose the format you want. At the top or side of the results, you should see different brochure types. Look for bifold brochure, which gives you 4 panels. This works well for simple content with a front cover, back cover, and 2 inside sections. You can also pick trifold brochure, which gives 6 panels. That is handy for more detailed information, since you get 3 sections on each side. If you need a specific page size, choose an A4 brochure or a letter brochure so your design matches standard paper and prints without unexpected margins. After that, select a template. Scroll through the brochures and take a moment to look at the thumbnails. You will see different layouts, color schemes, and styles, such as modern, corporate, or playful. When you find one that fits your topic, click it once. Canva will open it in the editor with sample text and images already placed, and you will see the pages listed on the side. Now customize the design. Start by replacing the placeholder text with your own words. Click on any text box and type your brochure title, sections, and contact details. Check that text on each panel is short and clear so it is easy to read when printed. Then change colors to match your brand or theme using the color controls at the top. When you update a color, every shape or text using that color will refresh on the canvas right away. Next, upload your own photos or choose from Canva's image library. Use the Upload section to bring in product images or team photos, or search inside Canva for high-quality stock images that fit your topic. Drag each image onto the template, and it will snap into the existing image frames. Finally, add your logo, icons, and graphics so the brochure feels unique. You can drag in your logo file, resize it, and place it on the front and back panels. Then drop in a few simple icons to highlight key points. You have now created a complete custom brochure in Canva, ready for printing or sharing online, all from a starting template. If this walkthrough helped you get your brochure designed, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more Canva tips like this.